Welcome to the Cyclist Network. On this episode, I'm driving to Yosemite, Enchanted Forest. I'm driving from Los Angeles to Yosemite Valley. It's about a 5.5-hour drive. We are entering through the south entrance on the 41 highway. The 41 highway turns into Wawona Road. The road to Mariposa Grove is on your right. We passed the historic Wawona Hotel, which was established in 1856. This is the last gas station before you get to the valley. The Merced River appears to your left. The scenery is beautiful. Enjoy the drive. Here you get your first look at Half Dome. Driving through the Wawona Tunnel, keep an eye out for cyclists. When you exit, you will see the amazing tunnel view. We've reached the valley floor. You get your first look at El Capitan and Bridalveil Falls on your right. A beautiful meadow and Yosemite Falls in the background. It's an easy quarter-mile hike to the base of Yosemite Falls. We are camping at North Pines Campground, right next to the river. I will be doing 2 bike rides. The first one of the Yosemite Loop on the valley floor. The second I will ride up to Glacier Point, starting at Wawona Road, the start of the climb. It's a beautiful day for a bike ride. Let's ride. This bike ride starts and ends at the North Pines campground. Oh, this is just beautiful. The incredible beauty of this place. Backpackers camp. It's part of the Valley Loop trail. This one's going to Mirror Lake. Beautiful to see it this way without the summer crowds. You practically have most of these trails to yourself, especially these outer ones that people don't use or aren't familiar with. It's really a magical place, to say the least. Some of the trails are a little bit beat up. The Valley Loop Trail. I'm here one-handing it because my GoPro battery died. I'm using my cell phone. And I recommend that. But if you're fast, you can stay on the road with the cars. Otherwise, this is what it looks like on the outskirts. A little slower going. But with this kind of scenery, it's okay to go slow. That's the main thing I've learned from this trip is slow it down, relax, just enjoy the beauty of nature. All right, I gotta stop here because amazing views like this. This has to be one of the most beautiful places to ride a bike. That's coming. There it is. Good things come to those who wait. See how beautiful that is. Stunning. If you forget anything, there's a well-stocked store in the center of the village. For my second ride, I'll ride up to Glacier Point from Winona Road. This is the start. May 4th, still a little bit of snow on the side of the road. Really works into my favor because the direct sun is a little bit warm. Then you hit this shadowy patches or spots, give you a quick air conditioning cool down. Maintaining a pretty good pace, about 10-12 miles an hour, 60-mile climb. Plans out here a little bit. Make sure you drink, take in your gels. Maybe not too easy to eat a bar. Wow, look at this bend. It's almost like you're in a different world all of a sudden. It's just amazing how beautiful this is. For adults and children, there's a magic that happens here like nowhere else in the world. Yosemite is one of a kind.